Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen C20 Caddy Maxi Cargo Commerce Pro. This vehicle comes in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey and features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS. The van also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, and across the front of the vehicle is a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with the front parking sensors. Down below the vehicle sits on the 17-inch Barahona alloy wheels, which come in a silver colour. Towards the rear of this Caddy, it comes with the rear loading barn door style doors, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look into that load area, it comes with a carpet lined load area with multiple lashing points dotted along the load area floor. Across the ceiling of the load area there are a few LED lights, and this Caddy comes with twin sliding doors located on either side of the vehicle. There is also a bulkhead with an open slot for a window, allowing a view into the rear load area. Up front in the driver's cab, there are two ergo comfort seats with a single armrest apiece, plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, and as being the Commerce Pro version, this vehicle comes with the navigation system along with a 10-inch colour touchscreen. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.